One of the unique things about all living things is that they all have the ability to reproduce their own kind. Animals, humans, plants, they all have this ability. Plants mostly reproduce through seeds. That is, they produce seeds, and when they germinate, they reproduce plants of the same kind. We will now learn how seeds are formed and what pollination is. Recall from the structure of a flower, a typical flower has a green stalk at its base which connects the flower to the plant. This is called pedicel, which is green in color. The next part of the flower is the receptacle, which is at the base of the flower. The remaining parts of the flower are arranged in 4 whorls or 4 circles, as you may call. The first one being sepals, beautiful and colorful petals that are meant to attract pollinators, something that we're going to be talking about later on. Stamens, or the male parts of the flower. Carpel or pistil, which is the female part of the flower. Stamens consist of a long stalk at its base called filament and a swollen head called anther. Anther is where male reproductive cells called pollen are present. Pistil consists of a sticky upper opening called stigma, which is connected to a tube-like structure called style, and style ends in ovary, where female reproductive cells or ovules are present. Pollination is when male reproductive cells or pollens present in anthers are transferred into the female reproductive organ stigma. This process is called pollination. Fertilization is when these pollens that have now entered stigma move further downward into the ovary, whereby they fertilize the ovule that are already present in the ovary. So this is the major difference between pollination and fertilization. Pollens can reach the stigma of the same flower, or it could be a different flower. When pollens of a flower reach the stigma of the same flower, this kind of pollination is called self-pollination. When pollens in the anthers of one flower reach the stigma of another flower within the same species, this kind of pollination is called cross-pollination. Plants have evolved to get help with pollination from a number of external agents. For example, you have butterflies, you have different moths, and you have beetles. So the kind of pollination that is assisted by different insects is called entomophily. Similarly, when birds help plants with pollination, this kind of pollination is called ornithophily. There's another example where you see a very beautiful hummingbird helping a plant fertilize, or helping the plant with fertilization. In endomophily, pollens that are airborne, that is, they're transferred through the wind to another flower, just like seed dispersal through the wind. Well, these are some of the examples where the plants get help from through external agents in order to pollinate. If you need any further information, you can visit this link that I have provided below. Thank you very much for listening to this presentation. If you have any questions or comments, please type yourselves in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel if you want to get notified every time I upload new videos. Thank you very much.